Welcome to Hayes Village, an exciting new destination that Barratt London are bringing to Hayes. My name's Joe Antoniazzi and I'm a sales manager with Barratt London. I'm proud to have worked for the company for nearly 7 years. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Barratt London. I'm going to tell you about the Hayes Village development, and I'd like to invite you on a tour of our new show apartment. As a company, we build 18,000 homes a year, and of these 18,000 homes we build, over 90% of our customers would recommend us on to friends and family. This gives us a 5-star status, an accolade we've held for the last 11 years, which no other developer has done. We also win more external awards for build quality than any other developer. We've been building for 60 years, meaning we've honed our trade over time, and we've developed a reputation for build quality and design. There are 4 main features that separate Hayes Village from any other development. The first of which is green open space. The development boasts over 9 acres of parkland, and the current phase overlooks 2 acres of beautifully landscaped gardens that you can see all around me. The second point is architecture. Barratt London are working hard to carefully restore the facade of the former Nestle Factory. At Hayes Village, Barratt London are bringing a new community as well as new homes. We'll be building 1,400 new high-quality apartments, a residence gym, a planned cafe, a planned community centre, as well as delivering a new canal-side realm. If you buy on a regeneration development like Hayes Village, you can not only have a fantastic new home, but also have a great investment for the future. This model shows the scale of the Hayes Village development. Here we're building 1,400 new homes over the next 7 years. We're currently selling the Thornton apartments that are located within 2 acres of beautifully landscaped gardens. In this phase, we're 90% sold, and every apartment comes with an outside space. Each property is available using the Help to Buy scheme. We're also selling the Nestle apartments. They're located in the former factory building, whereby we're retaining the Art Deco facade. These apartments will benefit from Art Deco features, including 4-metre high ceilings, as well as huge windows. I'm now going to take you on a tour of our Hayes Village show apartment. I hope you've enjoyed your introduction to Hayes Village. For more information and to book your own personalised virtual tour, visit our website today.